Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk about the PHP framework for the subject that I take in 2113 Web Application Development. And my name is Ali Shazil bin Ramli. So let's go. So what is PHP framework? The PHP framework is the basic framework that enables us to build web applications. In other terms, the structure is given. By using the PHP framework, you will end up saving time, avoiding the need to create a repetitive code, and you will be able to develop applications quickly. The PHP framework provides a simple structure for streamlining the creation of web applications. We use it because it will speed up the development process. Here is a list of the best PHP frameworks based on the popularity and ability to promote the development of applications. First is Laravel, second is Symfony, and lastly the Codeigniter. So we'll start with Laravel. So what it is? Laravel is the web application framework with impressive elegant syntax. Laravel is the free open source PHP web framework created by Taylor Otwell and intended for the development of web applications following the model view controller architectural pattern and based on a Symfony. What they use for? The Laravel attempts to take the pain out of development by easing common tasks used in the majority of web projects, such as authentication, routing sessions, and caching. The aim is to make the development process pleasing to the developer without sacrificing the functionality of the applications. For example, first is the Neighborhood Lender, a website that aims to simplify the process of getting home loans and easy process. So that means the user should be able to use the mortgage calculator and use the loan options with ease. Second is Walking, a website and mobile app that motivates people to move around. It tracks your walking activity and counts your move. If you enjoy walking and enjoy to develop your walking skills, this is where you go. So the second is the Symfony. So what is it? An open source PHP framework for web applications and a set of reusable PHP components. It was published as free software on October 18, 2005, created by Fabian Potential and released under the MIT license. So what they use for? Aims to speed up the creation and maintenance of web applications and to replace the repetitive coding tasks. Aim to create robust business applications and aims to allow the developers full control of the configuration. So for the example, first is the Spotify. The music streaming service relies on Symfony to maintain more than 75 million active users. There are almost 600,000 requests per second, according to the website, and a huge traffic that comes from the mobile device. Second is Trivago. More than 120 million visitors use Trivago to search and compare hotel prices. The search part of this website is the most popular and has a huge traffic. Their development team chooses the Symfony framework to provide the best experience. So third is the Codeigniter. So what it is? Codeigniter is the powerful PHP framework with a very small footprint built for developers who need a simple and elegant toolkit to create full-featured web applications. The first public version of Codeigniter was released by Alice Lab on February 28, 2006. So the use for Codeigniter is the PHP MVC framework, which is quickly used to develop web applications. It provides libraries out of the box to connect to the database and perform various operations such as sending emails, uploading files, and managing sessions and otherwise. So for the example, first is the Casio. One of the popular companies site using Codeigniter is Casio Computer Company Limited website. Casio is the multinational consumer electronics and commercial electronics manufacturing company founded in 1946, headquartered in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. Its products include calculators, mobile phones, digital cameras, electronic musical instruments, and digital watches. So for the second, FreeCam. FreeCam is the web-based project management tool and organization system for single or multiple users collaborating using cloud computing built with CodeIgniter. The company was launched in 2010 in Santa Barbara, California by founder Angel Draper. So, we will compare between Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter. So, we will see the Laravel first. It's a very simple platform. It is ready to use pre-built authentication scheme with its self-loading facility. Developers no longer have to rely on the inclusion and manual maintenance paths. The key demerit is that the namespace slash is not used by all core files stored in the namespace to call another core file. This makes it impossible to expand the classes. So this is a intermediate for the user. So the second is the Symfony. It is the full PHP framework which is running faster than other frameworks. It has features that allow the development process to be more efficient and simpler. The only demerit is that because of its complicated nature, it will be difficult for the beginners. So this is for the professional user. So the lastly is the CodeIgniter. It acts as a friendly platform for beginners who are not familiar with PHP frameworks. Along with this, it provides the latest concept of the separation used in the broad application developments. The demerit is it limits the flexibility of the developer and has a difficult service locator function. Also, it is small framework as compared to the Laravel and Symfony. So this is good for the beginner user. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching.